Hi guys, good morning. Today is Saturday again. Time for, checking the cars for maintenance. And guys, today there is a car from my daughter's boyfriend. And this car is Honda Civic 1993. So the issue of this car, guys, it will just crank, but it will not start. So that's the problem. So my husband is trying to trace right now what's going on. So tracing the problem. He will also try to check the fuse. So that's the battery. This is pretty old car, but I think he really likes vintage car. But it's nice. It's a nice car though. So Honda Civic 1993, and it's still alive. So as of the moment, guys, once again my husband is checking the issue. What's going on? Why it's just cranking but it's not starting. Okay guys, so I will let you know whatever the issue that my husband will find out. Because as of now, he is very busy checking the fuses and the battery. So he is checking the fuse using the power proof. So guys, my husband is checking on the fuel pump because he said that it's connected to the fuse right there at the driver's side. So I think my husband found already the issue of this car. My husband said that once you will turn on the key on, and then this power pump should also be on and run. But there is a problem because this pump is not turning on. So my husband suspected that this is gonna be the issue. So right here, as you can see, there is a light in the dashboard for the fuel pump. So my husband will say something about the issue of this car, guys, that he just found out.
Once you switch the key on, it's supposed to be the pump. The fuel pump will run also at the same time. But this moment, it's not running. See, you cannot hear anything. It could be the pump or it could be the pump or, oh my gosh, the connection of this, the supply power going to the pump. So I check already here. The one connection here has a ground and the other one has no positive. So it could be in the relay. There is a relay here that supply for this pump right underneath the dashboard. I will check that also at the same time. So right now, since this pump is old, I'm going to change this one. I'm gonna change this fuel pump.
So the gas pump is already taken out. Yeah, that's it. But for today, guys, my husband cannot replace it because unfortunately the gas pump for Honda Civic 1993 is not available at the store. So he will just order it online. So for the moment, he will close it, and until the item will be shipped, and that's the time that he will replace the old one. So the gas pump is here now, guys. So my husband will replace now the old one. So guys, the new gas pump is already installed. So we will see guys if this will work. So this is the old gas pump that my husband removed a while ago, guys. Okay, so it's done, guys. So he also installed the battery connection. Okay, so my husband will try to start now the engine. It's dark, guys. It's nighttime. Oh, perfect! Oh, God! Woo! Oh my gosh, you did it, Gilbert! So the engine starts already. Woo! They're happy. Yes, yes, yes. Good job. See guys, it's nighttime already and yeah. Finally, he solved the car issue. It's nighttime. Congratulations, hubby. He did it, guys. This is the owner of the car.
I just won.
He says he feels like he won the lottery.
Ah, he feels like he won the lottery.
Yeah.
The car works already.
Beautiful.
Okay, perfect. Woo!